Hello, doing another sketch stream, and I finally figured out that I can record audio, so mightn't be so shit this time. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me think. Do 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 do. This is just thinking music to entertain you. Do 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 do. I could draw God, but it would probably turn out a lot like Jesus, but with more Ray-Bans, like 10 maybe. Not that that's a bad thing, obviously. I'm gonna do my best to attempt Captain America, the prototype version before he was perfected. So here we go. Nice fucking circle. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna get a little bit of founding fathers in here. Powdered wig. Oh yeah, kind of fucked up there. It's okay. I'm gonna assume he had eyes on other facial features. There we go. Maybe an eagle beak, if that's what this is. Yep. Some Marlboros coming out here. And a cigar. There we go. I don't know if Cuba's actually part of America, but I'm sure it could be if they wanted it to. There we go. He needs a cowboy hat. Maybe a top hat would have worked too. Like Abe. Alright. This cigar is actually deep fried. How did I miss that? I don't know. It's clearly obvious. I don't know how to draw deep fried shit. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm doing my best. There we go. Perfect. Looks kind of deformed. Like a cigar fetus. There we go. Now that's looking American. Uh-huh. Thick neck. Obviously. Big American shoulders. Oh shit, we don't know much space. An arm. This arm is not on his body. It's over here to symbolize how free it is. It can do whatever the heck it wants. There we go. That's an arm. Trust me. I don't know what the fuck it's doing. No. But that neck doesn't look too muscular, but we're gonna fix that right up. There we go. He's gotta have a gun. Triple barrel. Boom. No idea how to draw guns. Actually, I do, apparently. By just pure intuition. I have made this. Maybe he's a little bit inbred, so give him some more fingers. There we go. Wait, one more. There we go. Now, gotta give him some legs. They're pretty short, but he lost his knees in Nam. So and his calves too. So there we go. Now you know. What am I doing? Green. What the fuck? Okay, so let's give him a t-shirt here. So he'll have somewhere to express his beliefs, of which he has many. Okay, he's wearing a t-shirt, and I don't know why there's another sleeve here. Maybe that's just an American thing, I don't know. But yeah, let's give him some beliefs to believe in. Or not believe him, as he chooses. Mexico should pay my taxes. Stay away from my family, atheists. You can't make me abort my daughter, Obama. Go back to Canada, gays. Okay, I think we're almost done here. Yeehaw, guys. Okay, I've been working on this a while, and here it is, in all its glory. I guarantee you if I printed this out and shoved it in a CD player, it would play the American anthem. It is beautiful. So, so beautiful.